Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the best ways to make money online. Today we are excited to introduce you to a fantastic platform called Timebucks. If you are searching for a simple and fun way to earn extra cash, you are in the right place. Stick with us until the end because we'll share a special tip that will boost your earnings. Timebucks is a platform where you can earn money by completing simple tasks like viewing content, taking surveys, clicking on ads, and more. The great thing about Timebucks is that you don't need any prior experience to start earning. It's easy, straightforward, and anyone can join. To get started, head over to timebucks.com and click on the sign up button. You can register with your email or, for a faster option, sign up using your Gmail account. Enter your details and that's it. You're ready to begin earning. Creating an account is quick and hassle-free, so you can jump right into the action. One of the easiest ways to earn money on Timebucks is by completing surveys. These surveys match you based on your age, location, and occupation, so make sure your profile is filled out accurately. Simply click on the survey tab to find available surveys. It's normal not to qualify for some surveys, but don't get discouraged. Keep trying as more surveys become available frequently. A useful tip is to check for new surveys every hour to maximize your chances. Another way to earn is through content tasks. Under the content section, you can start with content clicks, where you get paid to click on advertiser links and view websites for a specified time. Make sure to keep the page open until the timer finishes, otherwise you won't receive your credit. You can also engage in tasks like watching YouTube videos through a platform called Engage Hits. Register with your Gmail. Follow the step-by-step video and tutorial to install the Engage Chrome extension and start earning 40 cents per video. Remember, these tasks reset daily at 7 a.m. so plan your day to make the most of them. Push clicks are another great earning option. You can earn money every 2 hours by clicking on links sent via browser notifications. If you don't want to enable notifications, you can manually click the Get Click button every 2 hours. The exciting part is that you'll earn 0.5% of your previous day's earnings for each click, meaning the more you earn today, the higher your earnings tomorrow. Don't overlook the tasks section on Timebucks, where you can find small, quick jobs like visiting websites or signing up for newsletters. Each task has its own instructions, so make sure to follow them closely and submit the required proof, such as a text, input, or screenshot to get paid. These tasks may be small, but they add up quickly, helping you increase your overall earnings. Finally, here's the special tip we promised. Timebucks has a fantastic referral program. You can share your referral link with friends and earn a percentage of their earnings. It's an easy and passive way to grow your income without doing any additional work. What are you waiting for? Give Timebucks a try today and start earning money effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.